Hello, engineers, developers, and friends. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design here at Embedded World 2026 here in Nuremberg, Germany. And we here at Embedded Computing Design are doing tons of really interesting coverage of all the most interesting tech that we can find anywhere at this, the biggest show in all of embedded computing. But I am especially proud and happy to be here in our very own Dev Zone. Now, the Dev Zone is our opportunity to feature some of our most exciting, favorite, and interesting products that we've seen and coming down anytime this year. So I'm going to walk you through it real quick here, and I hope you get a chance to come and check these out in more detail. First up here on our Dev Zone is Pollen Technologies NeuroVoice VAD90. Now, this is a voice detection box. It's really impressive working here, even in the noise of the hall. If you're talking even at a low volume, it can pick you up and makes a register. It's really impressive. Coming up next, we've got the SX01 from Sonic X. This is a sound device for sleeping. They call it the instant sleep support to rebalance body and mind to a natural rhythm. They're tapping into a bunch of different types of sound frequencies and things in order to do that. Here from Artila, we've got the Matrix 800. This is a secure edge AI Linux industrial gateway computer. Really cool, really great, powerful edge computing there from Artila. So come and check that out. InnoDisk has provided us with the Exec 0911. This is a Qualcomm Dragonwing based COM-HPC mini starter kit. So really to get you going and get you rolling. It's got fan cooling here and some real power there, especially for a starter kit. It's worth checking out. Now, over here we've got a really interesting and fun display. This is the SMT135C from Sundance. And as you can see, we're all lit up here. We got our board display out. It's this thermal camera is showcasing. You probably can't see it on the video there. That's why you got to come here to the Dev Zone to see it yourself. It's showcasing how cool the chip is running. It's really, really impressive. You want to come and take a look. Right next to them is Raspberry Pi. Now Raspberry Pi right here is showing off one of its newer boards. And as we all know, Raspberry Pi is always exciting, but the Pi Compute Module 5 is what we have on display. Right here is Morse Micro. Now, Morse Micro hasn't had a chance to bring this by yet, but this is going to be the Halo Link 2, their networking device. And so you can find out more about it right here, or you can visit Morse Micro over in their booth. This is the Beagle board. Now, Beagle board has been a regular friend of the Dev Zone and has always put stuff in for us. This is the Pocket Beagle 2, and you definitely can't see it there because it's truly tiny, but you got to come here by the Dev Zone to check out the Pocket Beagle 2. Finally, Synaptics' Astra Machina SL2600 is in this spot here. Synaptics, again, has been a regular presence here in the Dev Zone. We're always happy to have them. So you want to find out all the details about everything here in the Dev Zone, then you've got to come by our booth 1500 and check it out. But in the meantime, I've been Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and I'm so glad you've been joining us for all of our coverage. Don't go away, because there's lots more coming to you from Embedded World 2026. See you soon.